Hi, Kevin Thailand here. Well, it's Friday night. It's 8 PM. I'm on Beach Road and we're here tonight to show you the other side of Beach Road, the bars, the clubs, but a different look. Today's a public holiday, it's a big Buddha day, and from midnight last night, from 12 o'clock until midnight tonight, no alcohol is allowed to be served in Thailand. You might be able to get a beer in the hotel if you're staying there. The gates are closed at the entrances to the hotels, and people have to show their card that they are staying there. You can't just walk in, so if you're not a guest at the hotel, you can't get in the hotel to get a beer. 7-Elevens, Family Marts cannot sell alcohol until midnight tonight. They have a 24-hour that they cannot sell alcohol, only soft drinks. And to show you how much people want a soft drink, yeah. They're not closed, they are open, but you can only buy a soft drink, a Coca-Cola, sit around the bar. They won't even put the lights on for you. There's nothing in it for them, they're not wasting electric. They all look closed, but you can get a non-alcoholic drink. Funny thing is, I've had a friend, Reggie, come down from Bangkok to see me. He actually thought he would get a drink in Pattaya. He thought Pattaya was different. It's the same all over Thailand. No one's different. Buddha Day is Buddha Day. You cannot, yeah. Yeah. No lights on, empty. Only soft drink. Not even from the shop, 7-Eleven or the Family Marts, can't get a drink. This is normally mental, live band. It's the We Are the World bar. It's a bar that I frequent sometimes. They will or may be open at midnight. 1 minute after midnight, all the lights come on. They'll get a last couple of 3 hours late tonight. All over, you can't get a drink. It amazed me that someone that comes out to Koh Samui, Bangkok, Phuket, Reggie, that he would actually think Pattaya would be any different to anywhere in Thailand. It's not. So anyone else in Bangkok thinks they'll come here to get a beer, you won't get it. You won't get it. You'll be lucky to get a light on, let alone a beer. Look, 8 PM Friday night. Sad time for Pattaya. Big Buddha Days always are. At restaurants, get a meal, have a soft drink. That's all you'll get. Anyway, this has really been a short one. Got it up. Really been a short one, but just to let you know that Big Buddha Days are no different to anywhere in Thailand. You cannot get alcohol, even in Pattaya. Go-go bars, yeah, they'll be open. You can have a Coca-Cola, you can have an orange or lemonade. No alcohol. So, I hope you like my little vlog. There's not much of it. But it's just to show you that Big Buddha Days, don't come to Pattaya from Bangkok for the night to think you can get a beer. You can't. Ever so sorry. Anyway, if you like my little vlog, what we got here? It's a money exchange, but it's not as good. I'll nip down and find out from the TT. I won't even show you here, it's ridiculous. I'll find the TT money exchange and I'll quickly show you the exchange rates today. I'll come back. Okay, here are today's money exchange at the TT currency exchange on Beach Road. We're not in Bangkok. They've gone up a little bit. 51.70 for the pound. It's getting there, getting back to 52 shortly. We hope. Anyway, it's gone dark. If you like my little vlog, not much of it, it's short. You can't get a beer. Alcohol free zone, Pattaya. Who would have thought ever? But the whole of Thailand today, like I say, if you're in a hotel and you're staying there, you can get a beer in the hotel. But outsiders will need to show that they're staying there to get into a drink. So if you like my little vlog, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share. Please subscribe. And don't come here for a beer tonight, you won't get one. Thank you very much. See you soon, bye bye.